Vetri Cooking Lab is an out-of-school time cooking program that inspires students to develop the knowledge and confidence to make nutritious choices and build life skills for a healthier future. This weekly curriculum-based out-of-school time program engages students 3rd grade and up in hands-on cooking that is paired with important nutrition lessons like whole versus processed foods, reading nutrition labels, food marketing, and more. Experiential by design, Vetri Cooking Lab offers hands-on cooking and tasting opportunities of recipes that are nutritious and vegetable-focused while being affordable and, most importantly, delicious. With Vetri Cooking Lab, our goal is to empower young people to become mindful and educated food consumers by increasing exposure to nutritious foods, practical cooking skills, and nutritional knowledge.